I made $10,000 in just 24 hours by scamming people legally. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, it's true, and today, I'm going to walk you through every step I took to make it happen. I'll show you how I did it without needing any special skills, the platform I used, and the exact tricks I pulled to convince people to hand over their hard-earned cash. Plus, I'll provide my sales pitch script so you can copy-paste and make it your own. Because who wouldn't want to make money fast? And don't worry, if you're more interested in protecting yourself, I'll also teach you how to spot this type of scam and keep your money safe. So buckle up, because I'm about to reveal all the shocking details behind my success. So, let's start from the top. How exactly did I manage to make $10,000 in just 24 hours? You might find it hard to believe, but this was indeed a scam. And the best part, it was totally legal, meaning there's no real risk of anyone taking me to court. Even if someone tried, it wouldn't really impact me. Here's exactly how I did it. I made this money by selling a book online titled How to Scam People Legally. The twist: the book itself was the scam. My method was actually divided into two parts. In the first part, I sold ebooks, but when people paid for them, they just received an empty PDF file. The second part involved selling a physical copy of my book. I took all the orders, but I didn't deliver a single book. The reason why this was technically legal was because of the book's title. Even if someone tried to press charges, how would they argue? I bought a book to learn how to scam people, but I didn't receive it. Yeah, that's not going to hold up in court. Plus, the book was priced pretty reasonably, $49.99 for the physical copy, and $39.99 for the ebook. Those are small amounts, so no one's going to get overly upset about losing that kind of money. And with almost 250 orders coming in within a single day, it's clear people weren't really concerned about their money in the first place. If they were, they never would have bought it so easily. Now that I've explained how the scam worked, let's dive into step 1. How to create your book for free without needing any special skills. But before we get started, a quick disclaimer. This video is strictly for educational purposes. I do not engage in illegal activities, and I'm not encouraging anyone to either. First, we're going to design a book cover. You don't need to be a graphic designer. There are a ton of websites to design your book cover, but let's keep it simple and use Canva. You can either download the Canva app on your phone or use the desktop version. The process is the same. Go to the search bar and type book cover or book cover page. Scroll through until you find a good free design. Just forget about all that. Open up ChatGPT and type in a prompt for a book cover. Boom! You've got yourself a cover in seconds. Now, for the book itself, I'm not about to waste time writing something pointless. If you want a whole book, just ask ChatGPT to write one for you. Otherwise, let's keep it simple with an empty PDF file. Use either Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. Both are free. I'm going to use Word, so open Word, create a blank document, add as many pages as you want. 50 or more should do it. Once your pages are ready, export the document as a PDF file. Once you have your PDF, you can easily convert it to an EPUB file online for free. Just don't forget to add your cover page. Now that we've created our book, the next step is posting it on a marketplace. There are tons of options out there, like creating your own store, selling on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Etsy. But I'm going with Amazon, the ultimate platform for books. First, you'll need to set up an Amazon seller account. But keep in mind, Amazon has a lot of requirements. After all, it's the world's biggest jungle, where it's easy to get lost. Setting up Amazon store to sell these books will take time, so I'll leave that part for end of video. I want to first focus on how you're actually going to sell these books. You can easily create hundreds of books and publish them, but selling them, that's where the real challenge lies. currently there are roughly 160 million unique books available on the market today. The worst part, most of those books are legal, and here we are trying to sell a not-so-legal one. So, I'm not going to waste your time teaching you the basics of selling anything online. Instead, I'll give you the exact strategy I used so you can just copy and paste it. The platforms I used to sell my book were Reddit, Twitter, and fake reviews on Amazon. First, create a Twitter account. Then, search for at least 20 hashtags related to hustle, business, and book clubs. I know you probably don't want to spend hours looking for hashtags, so I'll save you time. I'm going to send you a list of hashtags and post templates that actually work directly to your email. Just go to my video description or the comment section. Subscribe to my email list. It's completely free, and you'll instantly get access to marketing material, including those hashtags. Listen to this part closely because Reddit is where more than half of your sales are going to come from. Reddit is great for selling, especially when it comes to products that have a bit of a shady or unconventional nature. First, create a Reddit account. If you have an old account, that's even better. Next, you'll need to join 35 subreddits related to business, side hustles, books, and anything else that fits with your product. I could list all the subreddits here, but since you're already subscribed to my email list, you'll get the full list of subreddit links along with the Twitter material once you sign up for my newsletter. All you have to do is click the link in the pinned comment, and it'll take you seconds to get the material. Now let's talk about how to make your book look like the real deal. For that, you'll need at least 10 5-star reviews and a couple of 4-star reviews to make your product look legit. This way you'll have at least solid 4.8-star rating on Amazon, and customers will trust it more. Buying fake Amazon reviews is quite expensive, but don't worry, I'll send you these legitimate reviews for free. All you need to do is subscribe to my email list via the pinned comment link. Once I have your email, I'll send you the Reddit and Twitter marketing materials, along with the option where you can send me your product link. In return, I'll send you free reviews for your Amazon listing. Now, I know this all sounds tempting, but let's make sure you're not the one getting scammed. The key to avoiding this type of trick is to always question deals that sound too good to be true, especially when they involve quick money or easy success. Look for signs like vague promises, lack of product details, or pressure to act fast. If you're buying something online, especially from unfamiliar platforms, check reviews, do some research, and never, ever send money without knowing exactly what you're getting. Trust your gut. If it feels shady, it probably is. Also remember that if someone's trying to sell you a product on subreddits or Twitter hashtags, like the ones I mentioned earlier, it's a red flag. I've already given you a list of these places, so if you see a similar pitch, you'll know exactly what's going on. Stay smart and protect your wallet. Let's jump back to the previous step and finish setting up your Amazon seller account. Here's the most crucial part: how to bypass all those requirements and get your book posted with minimal hassle. But to learn that, you'll need to adjust your YouTube video settings. Click on the 3 dots on this video, go to playback speed, and set it to 0.25x. This will help you catch every important detail of this step. You've got 3 seconds, go ahead and make that change now.